You might think that the TNT block in Minecraft is just about explosions. But what if I told you that when it was first discovered in the early 20th century, people used it as a dye? In this video, we'll uncover how this explosive material went from a humble colorant to a powerful chemical used in war. TNT in Minecraft is pretty simple, right? Place it, light it, and you get an explosion that's about 4 blocks wide. But in reality, TNT doesn't just explode by setting it on fire. In the real world, TNT is shock sensitive. It requires a detonator to trigger the explosion. This is a crucial difference from Minecraft, where the block goes off the moment you light it up. And the explosion size? Well, assuming a block is 1 cubic meter, one TNT block would weigh around 1,650 kilograms and it would leave a massive crater, far larger than what you'd see in the game. But there's something Minecraft actually gets right: TNT chain reactions. In both Minecraft and real life, TNT can trigger a chain explosion if placed next to each other. While Minecraft simplifies this, the basic concept of chain reaction is actually pretty spot on. So, what exactly is TNT? Short for trinitrotoluene, it was first synthesized in 1863 by a German chemist named Julius Wilbrand. While it's not the most powerful explosive, it quickly became very popular for its stability and ease of transport. What makes TNT special is its controlled detonation. Compared to other explosives like dynamite, which can detonate just from a jolt or heat, TNT is much more stable. Now, let's break down the science behind TNT. At the molecular level, it might look deceptively simple. It is a 6-carbon structure that carries 3 nitro groups along with a methyl group. This specific design is the key to its explosive properties and the stability that allows it to be safely handled. Because of its molecular structure, it can resist accidental triggers. Only when a precise amount of energy is applied, let's say by a detonator, those bonds break apart quickly, releasing energy in the form of hot gases, nitrogen, carbon monoxide, and water vapor. This rapid gas expansion creates the shockwave commonly referred to as an explosion. But let's take a step back and rewind. TNT was actually never meant to explode. In fact, when it was first discovered in 1863, nobody even knew it was dangerous. Instead, it was used for something completely unrelated, making yellow fabric dye. For nearly 30 years, TNT sat on shelves as nothing more than a cheap yellow colorant, while other far more dangerous explosives like nitroglycerin dominated the scene. But then, chemists made a shocking discovery. This ordinary dye was actually one of the most stable explosives ever created. And that changed everything. The first military to realize its true potential? The German Empire. By 1900s, TNT was already being used for military purposes. They started putting it in artillery shells and bombs during both world wars, proving it essential in military strategy. Its stability made it perfect for creating powerful and reliable explosives that could turn the tide of battle. But it wasn't just warfare that benefited from TNT. The compound's ability to provide controlled explosions also led to its widespread adoption in mining and construction. Engineers used it to blast through mountains and create tunnels for railroads. Slowly but surely, TNT has earned its place as one of the most famous explosives in history. So let's take a look at some of the largest TNT explosions that occurred. The Halifax explosion of 1917 is a prime example. 2 ships collide in the Halifax harbor. Thing is, one of them, the SS Mont Blanc, is carrying 2,900 tons of TNT and other explosives, and within minutes it catches fire. People gather on shore watching the black smoke rise, only they have no idea they were standing next to one of the biggest bombs in human history. The explosion leveled everything within a 1-mile radius, sending shockwaves so powerful it shattered windows 100 kilometers away. The force equivalent to 3 kilotons of TNT, nearly 1/5 of the power of the Hiroshima bomb. So, while TNT might not be the most powerful explosive, it has certainly left its mark on history. But how does it hold up in the present? The world of explosives has evolved, and today we have C4, RDX, and even nuclear bombs, each far more powerful and efficient than TNT, because they pack more power into a smaller package. So, how does it measure up against these modern explosives? Well, one small block of C4 can deliver 34% more power than the same amount of TNT and is even more stable. RDX, which is often used in military application, is even more powerful than C4, amounting to 60% more power than the same amount of TNT. And then we have nuclear explosives. One nuclear bomb releases the equivalent of millions of tons of TNT, but that's a topic for another video. So, TNT was once the king of explosives. But today, it's more of a benchmark for measuring other explosives. Like when we hear about a bomb being the equivalent of 1000 tons of TNT, it has become the golden standard for explosive power. Whether in Minecraft or the real world, TNT has proven to be one of the most iconic additions. Its impact is undeniable. And if you enjoyed this type of video, don't forget to subscribe for more science-related content.